Like,
wow.
there's.
Everything looks really, really good.
Hey, how's it going?
Just want
Yeah.
interior cleaning. Also, we lost like a credit card. It's
So
So how long would it take?
it'll take about 2.5 hours.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. Today I'm doing my interior detail, the full works, in the pouring rain, on this really cool Jaguar. I've never even seen this before. Total cost of the job is gonna be $205. So yeah, we working with. Take this off. My dog's slobbering. Oh, that's a sock. That's my dog's. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? Ain't my car, shawty. I wish though. Vacuum and luxury carpet's the best, bro. Y'all see this weather right now? The absolute worst to work in. It's not raining hard enough for me to cancel, not light enough for me to work, so I'm just stuck. Bro, what the client came and brought me, bro? I've never had somebody bring me Starbucks before. Let's taste test it. God, what the fuck is in this? Amazing. Like,
Wow. Is there like a way to add tips and stuff on there?
There's-
Everything looks really, really good.